Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting on freshly washed hair, and as you can see, your girl hair is growing and glowing. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing my hair in sections. Like I said in previous videos, when I'm doing a ponytail, it's easier for me to do my hair in sections. So I'm gonna be using the Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner. I used to use this leave-in on my relaxed hair and I love this leave-in, the smell, everything. Also, I'm gonna be using Shine and Jam magic fingers to lay my hair. I'm not gonna be using too much gel on this hairstyle, and as you can see, the jam is laying everything that needs to be laid. Wow. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep doing that same thing to each section where I part the hair in small sections and apply the jam, and then I'm gonna be combing it in and brushing it in for that sleek, smooth look. Look at that. Everything is laid sleek, smooth, the best jam ever. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna be doing a middle part. Now y'all know I'm always doing side parts, always. And for the first time, I decided to do middle part and I love it. I'm gonna be doing the same thing in the front where I apply the leave-in, and then I'm gonna part in sections and apply the jam. So for the front piece, that section, I'm gonna be using the Eco Style black castor and flaxseed oil gel mixed with the jam. I'm gonna show you guys a test with both products together. It doesn't have that white look. You know that white look you get when you know you're gonna have flake. As you can see, it's clear. So I'm gonna mix in both products for the front because I want the front to be extra laid, sleek, and so forth. The reason why I didn't use the gel in the back, it's because when I have my hair in a ponytail, when I use gel, the middle of my hair, like in the center, it's still wet and I hate to sleep with wet hair. So I use the jam in the back and middle, and then in the front section I use both jam and gel. Honestly, this is the best my hair has ever looked since I've been doing ponytails to my hair. Like, these two products together really lay my hair, and you guys should try it too. Now I'm just adding a little more gel on the top, so when I tie my hair with a scarf, everything is laid. And I'm also just fixing my edges from now. I'm not really doing any baby hair for this hairstyle. This is my first time not really doing anything crazy with my edges, but that's just that for now. And then I'm gonna tie my hair with a scarf. As a matter of fact, 2 scarves, just to get that extra laid look. Listen, if you guys have been with me from the start, y'all know my voiceovers are always a hot mess. But as you can see by the actual video, you get what I'm trying to say in my voiceovers. Please don't judge me. And I have a little cold, as you can hear it in my voice, but that still don't stop the show. Now I'm gonna be putting my hair in a bun. I'm trying to make the bun as small as possible, but because my hair is so thick, this is the smallest I can get it to be. So if your bun is really small, that's good. And for the braiding here, I'm going to be using the Spetra braid pre-stretched braiding here. It's already stretched and it's a color number 1. If you guys have been with me from the start, you guys know this is the only braiding hair I use in my hair, because it's already pre-stretched, it's soft, and it doesn't tangle that much. It already came with a rubber band, so all I needed to do was use a hair tie with that rubber band that's already there, and just watch closely what I do to attach the braiding hair on my bun. Now I'm going to be taking a small piece of the braiding here. I'm going to be using that piece later to wrap around the braid to make it look more natural. Now I'm going to be starting the braid, and as you can see, I am adding more braid to the braiding here. I used 1 pack of braiding here and I already had one that was open, so I took a little piece from that was already open and added it to the braid that I'm doing now, because I wanted it to be really long. I think it was like at my hip. Yeah, it was pretty long. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, feeding in the braid, and I'm just gonna keep braiding the hair. Then I'm gonna be using bobby pins around the braiding here just to secure the hair. You don't want it drop off a road, so that's what I'm doing with those bobby pins. Now I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glued freezing spray on that piece that I'm gonna be wrapping around the braiding here. It's gonna be holding it, I guess. It did hold it, kept it in place. I'm gonna be using another bobby pin to pin that piece down. Now I'm gonna be adding these little pins that I bought from my local beauty supply store. I got 6 each for $1, and I'm just gonna be using these to spice up my hairstyle. I also added a couple clips on the side of my hair, as you can see, just to make it look a little more spicy, like I said. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed watching me do this hairstyle, and Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.